party, come on, move around like the first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide or die, lay low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah, it won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine state, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide or die, lay low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Самолет несет меня, будто в кулаке зажав великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Самолет несет меня, большой стальной великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire. 'Cause I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know we're fighting in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can can't control this flame we started. You know I'll fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it. the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I'll work it out, I'll work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. Life can be hard, but it's what we do to get to the top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Increasing my strength when I remember myself. Life can be hard, but it's what we do to get to the top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. People out there to blame, and I've been feeling pain. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,